the first step, the rubber band system has elastic potential energy, which once released is converted to translational kinetic energy. The pen then makes contact with the pool ball, transferring the pen's kinetic energy to the ball. As the ball rolls down the pool stick ramp, it converts the gravitational potential energy to both rotational kinetic energy and translational kinetic energy, since it is rolling without slipping. In the second step, the pool ball then makes contact with the tape roll, which transfers some of the kinetic energy from the ball to the roll, causing it to now have translational kinetic energy. Once the tape roll is removed from the second pool stick ramp, the golf ball is now able to convert its gravitational potential energy to both translational and rotational kinetic energy, just like the pool ball. Then the golf ball makes contact with the fidget spinner system, transferring some of its kinetic energy in the process. The fidget spinner system then has rotational kinetic energy due to the perpendicular force of the golf ball. The fidget spinner system then hits the wooden block rig, transferring the fidget spinner's energy into the block rig system, which then removes the tape piece blocking the pink bouncy ball. After the tape piece part of the block rig system is removed, the pink bouncy ball then converts its gravitational potential energy to translational and rotational kinetic energy, much like the previous two balls. Then the pink bouncy ball follows the three-part ramp until it reaches the two wooden blocks. Once the bouncy ball makes contact with the blocks, an energy transfer takes place, allowing the blocks to convert their gravitational potential energy to translational kinetic energy. They then make contact with the blue bouncy ball at the bottom of the pool pocket, and energy is transferred from the blocks to the ball. The bouncy ball then converts its gravitational potential energy to translational kinetic energy. Then the ball falls down into the cup pulley system, creating an inelastic collision since the two objects become one moving object. Once the ball has caused the cup pulley system to begin motion, the right mass on the cup pulley system converts its gravitational potential energy into translational kinetic energy, while the left mass goes through an energy conversion where the translational kinetic energy becomes gravitational potential energy as its vertical position increases. Once the string tied to the bottom of the cup becomes taut, the cup tilts. Once the left cup of the cup pulley system has been risen in tilt, the ping pong ball is released, converting its gravitational potential energy into rotational and translational kinetic energy. The ping pong ball then follows the cardboard track until it falls and makes contact with the Dixie cup holding water. The energy from the ping pong ball is then transferred to the Dixie cup, causing the Dixie cup to undergo an energy conversion from gravitational potential energy to translational kinetic energy. As the Dixie cup falls over, the water inside then enters the funnel and straw system, which leads the water to the plant pot, successfully watering the plant.